everyone, I welcome you all to our project Cuisine, What People Eat Around the World, Part 4. So in this video, we are going to learn about different cooking methods, different cooking utensils, and few commonly used Indian spices and herbs. So let us have a look at them one by one. Okay, cooking methods. Cooking methods are different types of techniques which are used to prepare different food dishes. Okay, so it is different types of techniques which we use to make different types of food dishes. Different cooking methods are used to make different kinds of food. For example, cooking meat and cooking roti. So we use two different types of cooking methods to cook meat and roti. Choosing a correct cooking method helps to preserve the color, flavor, texture and nutrition of the food. Okay, so whenever we make any food dish, it is very important for us to choose the correct cooking method which will help to preserve or prevent the color of the food, flavor, the texture and nutrition of the food. Okay, now let us have a look at few important cooking methods. First one is boiling, then steaming, then the next is frying, roasting and baking. So in this video I am going to teach you something about these 5 cooking methods. Boiling. Boiling means ubalna. Okay, koi bhi cheez ko ubalna is called as boiling. So boiling is cooking food in boiling water or other water based liquids such as stock or milk. Okay, so koi bhi फूड को पानी में या एनी अदर टाइप्स ऑफ लिक्विड में उबालना, बॉईल करना. दिस इज बॉइलिंग कुकिंग मेथड. बॉइलिंग इज कुकिंग बाय इमर्सिंग द फूड इन अ पैन ऑफ लिक्विड which must be kept boiling all the time. So here are few examples of boiling. So in the first picture it is boiling potatoes. Then it is boiled vegetables. We also boil the corn, butta. Then boiled eggs. We boil the eggs. Okay, the next cooking method is steaming. Steaming means bafna, baaf dena. Steaming is cooking by heat, that is steam. And the steam is used as a direct purpose and indirect purpose. Okay, it can be given directly or indirectly. Indirect steaming is done when the food is placed in a closed pan which is surrounded by plenty of steam from fast boiling water or in a steamer. Okay, so in this picture, this is a steamer. We have placed the vegetables inside the steamer and there is water over here. Okay, at the end of the steamer there is some water and the water is boiling and the boiled water is giving steam to this vegetable. Okay, so this is one example, and the second example is making idlis. We all make idlis at home, yes? So the way we make idlis is also steaming cooking method. The next cooking method is frying. Frying means talna, to fry. There are two types of frying. The first one is shallow frying. So shallow frying is cooking the food in a small quantity of preheated oil in a shallow pan. Okay, so whenever we make any tikkis or any cutlets or fish, we do shallow frying. So we just put small quantity of oil in a shallow pan and we just shallow fry the food dish. Then the second method of frying is deep frying. It is a quick method of fry and a popular method for Indian cuisine. So whenever we make any pakodas or any papad or any other thing, okay, in a lot of oil, where we use a lot of oil in a deep pan, that is called as deep frying. So two types of frying, one is shallow frying and deep frying. Next type of cooking method is roasting or grilling. Roast karna ya grill karna. Roasting is a cooking method that utilizes dry heat, okay, dry heat, whether an open flame, oven or other heat source. In this cooking, food is cooked by dry heat by adding oil in an oven or spit. Okay, so the roasting is basically cooking the food in the dry heat, for which we usually use oven. The first picture is of an oven. We are roasting some meat in the oven, and the second method is roasting it in a spit. So this is the spit. Below there are few charcoals or coals, and we are doing the grilling or the roasting of the food. Okay, the next cooking method is baking. It is primarily used for preparation of bread, cakes, pastries, bakery foods and cookies. Okay, so any type of bakery food or bread, cakes, we use baking as a cooking method. So here are few examples, few pictures of the same. Okay, so we saw boiling, ubalna, steaming, bafna, frying, talna, to fry, roasting, roast karna, and baking. Now let us have a look at cooking utensils. Few basic cooking utensils which we used to prepare Indian cuisine. The first one is kadhai. In English it is called as wok. Kadhai, we all make certain vegetables or any kind of food in a kadhai. Then next is palta, turner. Chimta, pakkad, it is called as tongs. Then it is chamcha, that is spoon. Then channi, it is strainer. Then chakla belan, that is rolling pin and board. We use this to make rotis. Then bhagona, patila, that is stainless steel pots. Parat, high hipped platter, this is a parat. Then tawa, flat pan, again we make rotis or any uttapa, dosa on tawa. Churi, that is knife, we all use churi, knife, to cut vegetables. Katori, katori is bowl. Okay, now let us have a look at some commonly used spices and herbs in Indian cuisine, Indian cooking. Bay leaves, that is tej patta. Cardamom, that is elaichi. Cinnamon, dalchini. Coriander, dhania. Cumin, that is jeera. Then ginger, that is adrak, it is a herb. Then garlic, it is lasun, it is again a herb. Turmeric, haldi. Cloves, long. And black pepper, that is kali miri. So these are just the basic spices and herbs I have mentioned over here, which are used for Indian cooking. Okay, so in this video we saw different cooking methods, different cooking utensils and commonly used spices and herbs for Indian cooking cuisine. Thank you so much for watching this video and you all have a good day. Bye bye.